When I was a kid, I'd watch my dad as he worked on projects in his little workshop, and I learned some things, but I was a kid. I didn't learn everything I needed to learn. And as an adult, I just didn't have somebody like that. At least I didn't until just a few days ago when I ran across Woodwork 101 on the internet. This is a really great set of videos put together by an experienced woodworker showing how to do a whole bunch of really neat projects. He goes step by step, showing you what he's doing and explaining it. Like this. This is a kiddie play place that I made, just like one he made, following his instructions. That's the kind of stuff that's in there. Yeah, it's great projects, but it's also great techniques. It's great tips. It shows you how to do the stuff that maybe you didn't learn either. And by the way, he's adding more videos to this series every month. I'm looking forward to it. Increase my ability, make some neat projects, have fun. If that sounds good to you, maybe you're in the same place as me and you need somebody to show you how to take it to the next step.